Assalamualaikum and have a good day to Dr. Nur Khairil. We are from Group 37 with members me, Arshila binti Kotingting, Siti Khadijah binti Muhammad Akhir, and Anis Ashikin binti Jamaluddin. Our team is Driving Behavior and our title is The Challenges of Changing Driving Behavior in Malaysia. The aim of this research is to knowing the challenges of changing driving behavior in Malaysia and to investigate the effect of changing driving behavior in Malaysia. The advantages towards the community is the rate of road accidents can be reduced, giving awareness to the road user about importance of having good behavior in the road, and changing the bad behavior of drivers to good behaviors.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Anis Ashikin binti Jamaluddin. My matrix number is 262946. Today, I would like to present my part, which is the challenges of changing driving behavior in Malaysia towards community. Driving is an essential component in our daily life and also play an important role in our lives as people travel from one place to another place by using several mode transportation such as personal or public transportation. The challenges of changing driving behavior will lead to the road traffic incident. The majority of road traffic accidents were caused by human error. Driving is one of the most critical activities of daily life. They involve the active eyes, hand and foot. Drivers that is not proficient or fail to organize and interact with their vehicle and surrounding environment may lead to road accident. Factors such as speeding, using a mobile phone, not wearing seatbelt, and others are considered as a contributing for injury and fatality. After that, speeding behavior among young frequently involves stimulation from our society. This behavior has become a demanding community issue where more serious community participation is needed to improve the future young drivers. Public participants such as parents, teachers, and most important thing is from circle of friends in shaping a better future in the road and transportation system in Malaysia. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Khadijah binti Muhammad Akhir and I will continue for the next part, which is the impact of changing driving behavior in Malaysia. Based on the research, there are 50% strongly agree with the statement that they always use the rules of the road while driving. Then there are 44% strongly agree, 42% agree, and only 1% strongly disagree, and 2% disagree with the statement that prudent driving which can avoid getting involved in an accident. Then there are 19% strongly disagree, 28% disagree with the statement that they disregard the speed limit on the highway. Then there are 35% strongly disagree and 60% disagree with the statement that they sound the horn to indicate their annoyance to the other drivers. Next is there are the effect of changing driving behavior in Malaysia. There are 44% strongly agree and 37% agree with the statement that the road transport system can run smoothly. There are 82% will agree which the rate of accident will decrease. Next, there are 56% strongly agree, 33% agree, while only 1% strongly disagree and 2% disagree, which it will bring good image to the country. So we can see that there are a lot of effect and of when we are trying to change our driving behavior while we are driving. That's all from us. Thank you.